Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Artificial intelligence is advancing at a ridiculous speed, and I know that many of you want to take the leap and use AI to create your own solutions. Today, we're not just going to stick to theory. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Mini Beatbull. Today I'm bringing you a new artificial intelligence tool called Deevid. What can we do with it? A ton of things, from editing images, adding sound, generating images with someone else's voice, you name it. Endless possibilities. Let's check out what they have on their website, what we can see there, because there's always the big problem. When you start programming or integrating artificial intelligence tools, the code gets chaotic, and after relying on expensive third-party platforms, it feels like you need a master's degree in mathematics. Well, I have good news. That's not the case. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a fully customized, optimized local assistant, step by step. So here we are on the Deevid website. What can we get? Now I've signed up on the site. I'm logged in. I have access. And what do we see here? They give us 20 credits that we can use to more or less see what we can do, so we can get a little more integrated with them. AI videos, AI images, and audio. Alright, let's see what they have here. All the brands they work with are good brands. Patapi, Morgan, Tribago, Miro, 30 million creators, all of that. Honestly, it's really good, because with another account I have, I've been able to play around and do things. But now, let's see what more we can do with it. Now, we can create beyond any format, turning ideas into action, to adjust anything exactly how you imagine it. Like, I don't know, say you have a family photo and a friend shows up drinking, and you want to play a typical prank by making it look like they're drinking something else. In the background, you could add some islands. In the Caribbean, you can pull any prank on someone by adding something they might not like. I don't know, there's so many things. I just can't think of them all. For those of you who are editors, you can create ads, video images, AI image generators. You can make templates for everything, from AI-generated designs to timeless classics, finding the perfect start with just one click. We can try it out. So, for example, if you have an advertising brand, you save yourself from having to pay for edits or doing them yourself. It would take endless hours that would never end. You'd always be working for hours. But here, you can do it in just a moment. The voice of our users? Or even better, you can create a default avatar that you design yourself, and you can give it a voice. It's valued for its AI-powered video editing. It helps creators produce content quickly, and here we see user posts. We want to believe they're real, otherwise they wouldn't put them here. They couldn't. A girl who's a content creator on social media, an e-commerce seller, an advertising specialist. Social content creator. Well, look at this. What an amazing image it just made for me. Because all I asked was, I want to see someone fighting versus he's the real deal. I don't even know how we came up with this. I love this image, and we made it in no time at all, just as long as this took. Even though I had to wait 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Honestly, I think what it does is just amazing. So I want to try this out with you all. For example, I really like listening to calming spiritual music for meditating, so I could type in something like, I want some music. Let's see what happens next. What this provides for us. I'm not quite sure yet if I really need to include any background information. Spelled with 2 D's for the word space. Let's see what it comes up with. Here, well, the audio seems to be cheaper from what I can tell. So let's see what kind of music it made for us. I'm really curious to find out. Let's see. This is amazing. I mean, the change is really cool. I can think of a bunch of things you could do with this. If you have a channel dedicated to healing, spirituality, and all that, damn, it's gonna create music for you so you don't have to worry about copyright. You got it, it's already done. Let's ask it for something else too, because this blows my mind. I mean, being able to do this nowadays, this just seems like magic. And now, let's go ahead and try experimenting with it by bringing in some more upbeat and energetic electronic music. Something with a classic, rhythmic house music vibe to see how it feels. The exclusive club world experience. Alright, let's see. We're here now. Let's see what it created for us. See if we like it. Music, vibe, electro, house style, party atmosphere. For some reason, it actually gives me two distinct options to choose from. I honestly don't know why that is, but yeah, it is definitely something a bit different. It feels like it's much faster now. I can add it to a video, I can use it as a reference, you can download it. I'm downloading it, so I have it. Well, I don't know what you all think, because I can think of endless things that could be done by musicians. If you like editing, this makes it super easy to get yourself out there in the music world in whatever style you like. And it cuts down a ton of work hours. Well, I don't know what you all thought, but to me, it's incredible how many things we can do with the beat. Lately, I've been working with other AI apps and tools, and this one seems like one of the most useful and straightforward I've seen because it integrates video, audio, and voice. It's very complete, it's very easy to use, which is also what we're looking for and what people want. Let me know in the comments if you've worked with it or if you're going to check it out. Leave me a big like, sending you greetings. Goodbye.